Assalamu alaikum. This is our assignment of configuring SMTP server via SendMail on the Unix software Ubuntu. Let's set Telnet our loop back. Hope so it will not work on SMTP. If it is working, it will not complete its cycle. Let's check hello command. It's working. Okay, let's now try mail 2 at 6.edu.pk, and this is not working as I already told. Syntax error. Let's now set up our SendMail. So install the SendMail via Ubuntu command. We will skip the installation intentionally. Alright, it is installed and we can see in the upper that our configuration files are already there. And install mail utils already, so that our we are not, and I think the spelling mistake, and let's locate mail utils. Alright, utils. Let's modify here, install it. Alright, it's installed, already installed. Good for us. Clear the screen. Let's Telnet again. Alright, it will work. Let us first see configuration files. We will open MC file. So /et/mail MC file, where we will make this file for the configuration of sendmail.cf file. Alright, here we see the daemon options. If I put this address to 0.0.0.0, it will listen to all server. I have not configured my machine for DNS, therefore I will not play with this. Here this is the define, which will define my name smarthost and 6.edu.pk. It's already placed here due to previous configuration, otherwise you will have to place it there. And let's make this file now using a command. Hope so it's already placed there. Searching where it is, and speed up. And this is the command. It will make by m4 sendmail.mc and sendmail.cf. Let's enter now mc to the cf. Alright, the file will be made. Let us not align at our local server and send the mail. Mail from I will use my mail address to send to my friend Ahmed Abdullah, who is also in group. Alright, recipient to Ahmed Abdullah's address. Recipient OK. Data. Now here I am entering subject. I will enter from and to field. This will be the field which will appear in mail. It will be the difference. Well, this is mail from and recipient to already mentioned above. These are the original recipients and destination, and this form will be filled in the main field, which are shown in the mail. So let's do it. A Abdullah at 6.edu.pk. Alright, this is test mail dot accepted for delivery. Quit. Let us now check Ahmed Abdullah's email. Let's refresh it. Come on. No, it's not in spam. Oh yeah, the mail has come. And this is, as already told, this from and to is filled in the address field, while mail to and recipient to are destined friends. As we can see from this the details, it's already generated from my server. Now I will use mail program to send from my server. Mail command, mail utils, I already have installed it. I will send through my machine. I have used Anwar, as it will not cater for outside 6.edu.pk, therefore I will send to Hotmail, and it will reply back to my machine, and it will go into my Linux default folder, which is root where mail, and from my email from my user ID and it will be there. Let's CC it to my 6 ID so that we can really have configured that. Alright, it is going. The mail has been sent using mail utils. Let's wait. Press Ctrl D. Alright, the mail has been sent after control D, and I will see in spam because this is sent by my machine, that is we can see localhost 6 dot local domain 6, so this will definitely go into the spam, and to this it will not be delivered. Let us see my home folder, my main mail folder, where I can see my mail. Wait folder, here we go, mail Anwar. Let's open with the text editor first. All the mails you got over here, and I can see the time is already 6:04, and I can see it is 18:02. Therefore here I can see that it is mail is replied to me about A Abdullah, that it is not found. Alright, let's close this and try this in some software which is mail client. I will check in Evolution, very famous for Unix, Linux, GNOME. I will not deal with the root file. This is already logged and cannot be deleted. Already I will import the file. Now if I am working as a mail server, I will write a script to import the single file continuously, but here I am already just importing one file from variant file. Let's see, Barclay mailbox, forward, okay, inbox, apply, and I will get the mail of 1804, and it is not. So this is all from our side. If you have any if you have any questions, you can comment on the video and we will help you via email. Thanks.